So guys, I'll be doing a quick breakdown on Euro USD. Let's zoom in so we can see why we're selling off Euro USD. On the 4-hour time frame, we find out that this is the last high, right? This is the last high right here. Then there is a change of character at this level. There was a change of character here. We find the change of character. The change of character here, a break of structure here, another break of structure here. That confirms the trend, the move for the downside. So what you just do when you see a structure like this, whenever you see market giving you this breaking these structures, taking this low down, all you need to do is you wait for retracement back and then you get in. As far as it did not, before it reverses back to this zone, you need to wait and see if it is coming from this demand zone, so that you know that this zone is going to hold or not. But if it's not coming from this zone, then this zone is going to hold, right, just as it did. So these zones hold, and we can see that from here markets start driving downward. I'm expecting the buy to be over around here because it has swapped this liquidity just a bit downward. But then looking at it on a long run, I find out that there are more liquidity, right? There are more liquidity to the downside that market wants to be taken out. So let's look at, and this is where I'll be taking partials. This is where I'll be taking partials at this junction, guys, at this junction here.